Hi, sweet friend. Thank you for your reaction. So you reacted yesterday on that whole mountain of wood, and you said if I would ask some workers and then give them the wood. But we have plans for the wood, and I will show you what we are going to do with that. So this here is our plan. I already did that last year, this part, and this part was totally full of green, and when we came back it didn't grow through it anymore, because what we're gonna do is put carton box all over this. First we're gonna take this away, of course, and then we're gonna do a carton box all over that, and that there, all the wood that we have many wood here on the property, and every wood that we can use for wood chips, we are going to chip up, and we will show you guys how. So last year when we were here, we purchased this amazing thing, and that is a wood chipper. I think you must know that already, but for the people that don't know that yet, this is amazing. If you want to make wood chips to put on your land so that all the weeds and stuff are not going to grow through every time, you first then put this layer of carton box on it, and then you put the wood chips over that, and it will really stop many weeds from growing through it. And that means that you don't have to keep on weeding everything. I mean, of course there will come some things through, but it's gonna help a lot, and I can see that because over there it already worked. So I will show you guys what we're gonna do with this. So let me show you guys with this few branches what this amazing thing can do for you and how it will come out. So I'm sorry for the noise, because the thing is gonna make a lot of noise. Here it goes! So then I can show you guys how the chips are gonna look like, because these come out like this. Here are the chips, as you can see. And these wood chips we're gonna put on all of the land where we don't want the weeds to go through. So just a tip for people, if you have a property and you want to stop the weeds from going through, this can help a lot. I mean, it won't help like stop every weed, but it will help a lot. And you can see that on that part that I just showed you, because that has been there for what was it? I think half of a year or something. It has been laying there, and all the weeds on the other side have been growing and coming up. But there, because of the carton box and the wood chips, the weed stayed away. So that is our plan with our wood. And if we need to buy all the wood chips, it would be expensive too. So for now, because we want to try to do as much as possible ourselves, we're gonna use all the wood over there, and it's gonna be a lot of work, but it's worth it, because I want to make this place, I would love to make this place into a little paradise. So God bless you, sweet friend, and thank you for your reaction and for thinking with me. We're gonna enjoy the sunshine today, because now it's really nice and warm. And have a blessed day, and speak to you soon. Bye.